Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. Last week's vlog was 15 minutes long, and this week's vlog didn't even start until day 3 of the week. What can I say? Consistency, while I'm good at it in nutrition, I'm not so great at it when it comes to vlogging, but that's okay. Maybe this means it'll be a reasonable length this week. Who even knows? Anyway, hi! For those of you that are new here, my name is Brianna, and I'm the diva behind Diva and the Divine, and I am so glad you clicked on this video today. Welcome to another weekly vlog. As you can tell, I'm a little caffeinated. I had a Verb bar. It's actually 11:40, so it's almost afternoon, and I have just been working away like a little working bee. Today is rest day for fitness, and I need the rest day. Wow, did you see that compensation with my shoulder? Holy cow. For those of you who don't know, I have CMT, Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease. It is a nerve disease that weakens my muscles, and I am significantly weaker than the normal human being. I say that because I have no functioning tricep muscles, and my entire life, how I have compensated for non-functioning tricep muscles is with my shoulders, and that right there was evidence that I still do that because I'm trying to lift my arm up, right? But you need tricep muscles to lift your arm up, so without even thinking, I use my shoulder muscles to lift my arm higher. Do you see that? Anyway, I hit the ground running really hard with the gym this week. Monday, Tuesday were both heavy lifting days. I hit a personal record on my back and biceps day yesterday, which was amazing thanks to our new 7-pound weights. And I feel really good, but I'm so glad it's rest day. I'm so glad it is rest day. Let me tell you, what else? So today I am actually just doing active rest day. You know, my goal is to get 10,000 steps, as it usually is. And for the first 2 days of this week, I have been killing it. I got 11 point something, like 11.7, I think, on Monday, and 10.4 on Tuesday. So I'm going to keep that going, but with no, I might go walk outside, and I'm doing housewifing type things, but with no intentional workout today because my body needs to recover. And if there's one thing I have learned, it is that rest and recovery are just as important, if not more important, than your actual workout. So there's that. What do I have to tell you this week? We got a new shipment of Fat and Weird cookies because I'm obsessed with them. Yep, they had a birthday sale, 30% off, and I went for it. And so we have new Fat and Weird cookies, and I feel like the weight loss gods, even though I'm maintaining my weight right now, I'm in reverse diet, smiled on me for eating an entire one yesterday because I ate a whole cookie. I tracked that sucker as like almost 700 calories, and I had room in my macros for it, so I ate it, the whole thing, and lo and behold, the scale dropped 1.5 pounds between yesterday and today. I don't know what that was, but I felt like I got rewarded for eating my cookie. I know I didn't, but it felt good, right? So I have that. Later in this week, I ordered from a new CBD company. I just showed you guys one. Which one was it? The brand whose name I can't pronounce. This guy. I showed you guys that guy, which is fine. It works well. I ordered from a brand called, oh shoot, now I'm not gonna remember their brand name. Soul CBD, I think. And I ordered a lot of their stuff because they too were having a birthday sale. Apparently, the brands that I follow all celebrate their birthday at the beginning of August because they had a birthday sale for 25% off. So I ordered not once, but twice. And so I will show you as those things roll in this week and next week what I got. But I'm very excited because I bought their best sellers kit, which has a CBD oil, like drops, CBD gummies, and a dream formulation for CBD, which is for sleep. It has melatonin and stuff in it and whatnot. Why am I telling you this? Because, gosh, look at that. Because the last couple of days, I found an old bottle of a CBD that I used to take from Green Roads that I used for sleeping, and I've taken it for the last 2 nights, and I've slept like a rock. And if you were with my vlog last week, you know that last week I did not sleep like a rock. I was having some major sleeping issues last week. So it was really fun for me to be like, oh, add CBD to the mix and magically you sleep like a baby, and it's amazing. So I'm really glad that I experienced that because I ordered some specifically for sleep and all that jazz. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be a good week. To branch off of last week's vlog, we did in fact get a TV in our bedroom. See, look at that. It's very large, but it is very large. but it is getting the job done, and we are liking it. We're cuddling in bed and get to watch a little bit of TV as I doze off like I normally doze off on the couch. So there's that. Miss Thing over here got her crate moved because we moved my dresser over. So her crate used to be over there, and we moved it. It fits perfectly in here, and she apparently loves the change because she hangs out in here all day, every day. It is her favorite place to be. I don't know why. I'm convinced it's actually because let's look at Gracie's perspective here. If we go down to Gracie is now looking in the viewfinder. This is what she sees, which means she can keep track of what's happening out there from the comfort of her crate. Can't you, babe? Oh, you are just so cute. She's mad at me because I gave her her drugs today for her monthly flea and tick, and I had to shove it down her throat because she did not eat it. She discovered it in the piece of chicken. So we had a fight. But it's okay, you still love me, don't you? Yes. Anyway, let's get this vlog started. Have you ever experienced when you're like, you have your drawers in your dresser, right? And just, you end up wearing like, what's the statistic? We end up wearing 20% of our clothing 80% of the time, right? That's the statistic. So a lot of our clothes sit in the dresser and get unworn most of the time, right? Do you ever notice that like when you pull something out of a drawer, even though it's a clean item of clothing, it starts to smell just like dresser? Like it's just been there for a while? Anyway, my clothes are having that problem, so I have taken it upon myself to do the project of washing all of my clothes. that are in the dresser. So I'm doing regular laundry now, but I have pulled out these two drawers because these are the two that I notice it the most in. So I'm going to start with those two drawers. And then in there is the bottom drawer is all jeans and shorts. That's my underwear and sock drawer. This is my like shirt and tank top drawer, which you saw me organize in a vlog not too long ago. But these two specifically were ones that are really pretty stale. That's the word. But like this one is all entirely sweatshirts and long sleeve shirts and stuff that I just haven't been wearing right now. And for pajamas, I find that I'm reaching for the same stuff over and over again. So, and I'll be honest, I found a couple of things that I forgot I had, like this summer shirt that I should have been wearing for the last month and a half. But I'm going to pull all these out. I'm going to throw them in the washer, get them all nice and clean and fresh smelling, and I'm going to wipe out the drawers just to make sure I get rid of anything that's in there causing the smell. Even though the drawers are clean, but like it's just old smell, you know? Stale smell. So I'm going to freshen up the drawer, I'm going to freshen up the clothes, and have a good day. I'm also taking this as a chance to get rid of anything with holes in it, which unfortunately is like some of my favorite pairs of jeans. Not a big deal, but I have my Denizen Levi's. I have two pairs of them that I have worn holes into the inner thighs because your girl has thick thighs. And I wear them so much. And like, I'm sitting here going, I shouldn't get rid of these. I want to wear them. I can go to Target and buy more for under $30. What is your problem? Let them go, Brianna. Also, this is one of my favorite shirts from Target, and I've worn the heck out of it over the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 years. So there are holes in the bottom of it because I wear holes in the bottom of my clothes because I lean on things. It's a problem. I no longer wear belts when I'm cleaning because I lean on countertops, and it has prevented me from wearing holes in my clothes, but it has not saved this shirt. So unfortunately, I'm going to get rid of that too. And my Grace and Lace Happy Pants, they're called. I love them. I've worn the crap out of them. These have been my travel pants for like, again, 4 or 5 years, but I've worn holes into them. And like, these aren't holes you can stitch up. It's not on the seam. It's like busted fabric, and it would, whatever. It's fine. So I'm cleaning out the closet too. I almost said Tuesday, and it is in fact Thursday. Whoa, I am all sorts of thrown off here. Happy Thursday. I have been hard at work today. I'm still in my gym clothes. I'm about to go downstairs to work out. I've taken my creatine, my pre-workout. I still snap. I can tell that I sound nasally. Oh my gosh. Allergy season though. I'm trying real hard. But I have been hard at work. I've gotten a couple of inquiries for macro calculations, which is one of the things I offer. If you can't afford to do coaching with me, of course, that is the best thing to do in terms of longevity and accountability and all that. But there are some people that are like, look, can you just calculate my macros? Yes, I can. So I've actually gotten a couple of orders for one-time macro calculations today. So I've been doing that. I've done some coursework. I've done video work and just Diva and the Divine work. I am putting together, should I tell you guys this? Yeah, I should tell you guys this. I'm thinking about putting together a group coaching, specifically geared towards people who want to make the mindset shift and the lifestyle shift from points or bites to calories and macros. And it's going to be a 6-week program that'll be available at a discounted price from my monthly coaching because it is a group coaching setting. So it'll be a little bit different, a little bit less accountability, but more group, obviously more group setting and things like that. And it will include one-time macro calculations for you. So that's really exciting. And for more information, go to the link down below. But anyway, I hopped on here because the mailman just came and I want to show you what he brought. Okay, so the lighting is not great, but first, my first little bit of stuff, I guess you could call it, came from YesFit. You guys might have remembered that YesFit is this virtual race company, right? You can get medals, you sign up for races, and at your own pace, you go the mileage required for the medals. They're doing a Wizard of Oz themed 4-part race. And if you know me, you know how I feel about the Wizard of Oz. So I signed up. I didn't have a choice. I had to. And I got like my bonus materials today, which is a scarecrow sticker. Part 1 is going to be in the Eastern Lands. And then this little bonus pin of a pelican, which actually must have something to do with the book because it is not, and I have not read the book, but the pelican is not relevant in the movie or in Wicked. A little like YesFit sweatband, and then a bonus t-shirt that like I usually don't go for the t-shirts, but I'm getting the medal, but because I signed up for like the bonuses, I got a t-shirt anyway. And it says, I went to the land of munchkins with the yellow brick road in the text. Can you see that? And all I got was this t-shirt. So that came today, which is the least exciting of the things. This race officially starts at the end of the month, so I'm excited about that. But I ordered new CBD, y'all. And I ordered this from Soul CBD Company, and I paid for this. This is not sponsored, but they had a birthday sale happening, and I couldn't resist trying a new CBD company. So this best of bundle that I purchased, and fear not, I ordered 2 orders because I couldn't help myself, so I have another order coming either tomorrow or Saturday. But this is the first thing I ordered. And it has gummies, a jar of 30 gummies, raspberry flavored, with 10 milligrams of CBD in each gummy. It has their best-selling watermelon mint flavored oil. And then this is what I'm really excited about. This is CBD capsules with melatonin in it, specifically formulated for sleep. And I'm real jazzed about it. So there's 25 milligrams of CBD in these capsules, along with some other proprietary ingredients and all that jazz. There it goes. So that's what's in it. And it, like I said, it has melatonin in it too. I'm really excited about this. Me and CBD are like an on-again, off-again relationship, but here's the thing. When I actually use it, it works really well. I just don't use it with any form of consistency. So this sale encouraged me to buy enough stuff where I'm going to start using CBD with some sort of consistency and see how it helps. And we'll go from there. So I will keep y'all posted. Hello, happy Friday. It has been a week, y'all. I'm pretty sure I have a cold. I don't know, but I haven't really been able to breathe through my nose and like, this is like day 3. I just took Sudafed, and I don't take Sudafed unless it is a dire situation because I'm always a little bit stuffy, but like I got this new medicine from my doctor for allergies, and I took it for a couple days and it worked beautifully. Like it fixed the breathing problems through my nose I was having, and then a whole new host of them reemerged. And so I'm pretty sure that on my husband's little trip to Wisconsin, he might have brought home a cold. So I'm moving slow, and and also I woke up this morning with so much hip pain, so much. I don't know if it's actually my hip itself or if it's like my glute med muscle or my IT band. I don't know what it was, but I could, like, it was a struggle to walk on it. It feels a little bit better now, but it is like tender and tired. So I don't even get to work out today because I'm not dumb. I'm not going to work out, do leg day when my leg feels like that. That would just be shooting myself in the foot, almost literally. So it's been a weird week, a slow week. I mean, I've been getting stuff done. I've been getting people hiring me to do their calorie and macro counts for them, which has been really incredible. I've been keeping busy, but there's not been all that much to share, which is a complete flip side from last week where I shared almost an hour. Like, there was enough footage to put me on like primetime television and run a whole hour TV show with commercial breaks. Like, that's how much I put on there. But this week is the exact opposite, and I don't actually have all that much to share. I will share though, CBD order number 2 came today. So this is Soul order number 2. This is the same company I hauled yesterday. I ordered 2 orders in a row. The first thing I got were their alert capsules. These are supposed to help you with focus. And they come really highly rated. They had really great reviews online. Here's everything that's in them. 25 milligrams of CBD and a proprietary blend of other focusing herbs. And there's even a little bit of green tea in there for some caffeine. Here's why I didn't get the jar. So they actually are supposed to come in a jar like the sleep ones, right? And you get 30 capsules for $62. Explain to me why there's 2 capsules in here and a serving size is only 1 capsule. So explain to me why 10 packets is $30, which is 20 capsules, but 30 capsules is $62. So your girl, being the mathematician that she is, I ordered 2 orders of 10 packets with 2 capsules in each packet, meaning each of these orders has 20 capsules in it. So I have 40 capsules for $60 instead of 30 capsules for $62. I don't know if that was intentional or not. I don't know if someone did some bad math, but I lucked out because I got the better deal on that end. So I ordered 2 of those because more capsules, and then I ordered stronger gummies. So I ordered strawberry because strawberry is my favorite flavor of pretty much anything. I ordered the 25 milligram gummies, and in the packet that I got yesterday, the best sellers bundle, which was this, and the CBD oil, these are 10 milligram gummies. So now I have a whole complete collection to really embrace the CBD lifestyle. So this has been one of my favorite things to make lately. It's a warm salad, essentially. It's got red pepper and spinach in it, that's the base, and chicken sausages, and then a little bit of balsamic vinaigrette mixed in. I cook all of that up till the spinach wilts, and the red peppers actually go in first because they take longer to cook, and then they get roasted, and then I top it with goat cheese, and it gets all melty, and the flavor profile is so good, and it's light and lean and healthy and amazing. Happy Saturday, my friends. Today, I'm being quiet because my husband is actually napping. We got up and we had a day date today. It's been rainy and gross. The thunderstorms woke me up several times last night, and so we weren't sure we were even going to go do a date thing out today. My husband had apparently a different plan, but he did a backup plan and took me mini golfing, which was fun, and I beat him, my friends. I creamed him in mini golf. It's one of the things that I can actually beat him at. And then we went and got sandwiches. He had to make a return at the mall, so we went and got sandwiches at the mall, went to the grocery store and grabbed some really good grocery store sushi. Doesn't ever sound good, but the sushi from this place is actually quite good. And I got myself a cupcake. And it all fits into my plan. Like, that's the best part, is I have it all tracked and it all fits beautifully. But now while he's napping, I'm going to sit down with the book that just came. This came recommended by the woman who does the content batching bootcamp, Amanda Warfield. And I did the content batching bootcamp, as you guys know, and I love Amanda and her content. And so this sounded like a good thing for me to pick up. So I'm going to do a little bit of reading while the house is quiet. I have a candle lit. I have some iced tea next to me, so I'm using up the things that I have, which is part of my goals for the year, right? Using up those summer candles and that summer iced tea. And yeah, that's all that's happening. It's been a really, Really low-key week this week, guys.